What's crackin' dudes and dudettes? It's Ness, and this is Bug. Yeah. Are you gonna be my helper today?
Yeah.
Are we gonna open some Power Ranger cards?
Yeah.
Yeah? Which one's your favorite? Oh, you like the red guy. Okay. Okay, so what I think we have here, we have a couple of the starter decks, and we've also got a 12-pack of the Rise of Heroes. So let's yeah. So red's your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay. So you that one specifically? Okay.
Yeah.
We'll see if we get that one. So if you guys like the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Can you tell them to subscribe? Okay, there you go. All right, let's jump into this. Okay, here we go. Let's see what the cards. Let's see what we get. Okay, so you gonna sit on the table?
Yeah.
Okay, so in the starter deck for this one, here, can you sit down here? Okay. You get 2 dice, and you want to roll the dice for good luck? That's a 3. What else? And a 6. That's pretty good. 9's pretty good. Okay. You get one of these like battle arenas to try and teach you kind of where everything goes on the playing field. Hold on. You're getting ahead of me. Hold on. Yeah, well, we gotta show them. And it looks like a rule book for how to play the game. Okay, let's see what they got here. So okay, so it looks like there's two little sets of cards in here. Oh, slow down. Oh, you gonna play with the dice? Okay, you don't want to look at the cards? So we got like a whole team. We got the Mega Force Power Rangers, that's cool. And then we've got some Zords. Ooh. Can you sit on the chair? Yeah? Yeah, I haven't seen any bad guys yet. But we've seen Zords, and we got the Red Ultra Mega Force Ranger. Ooh, and a Red Mega Force Ranger. Very cool. So I think these are pretty standard as far as what you get in them. Hey, buddy. Yeah, that's fine. Put the dice here and come sit down, please. And you can come look at the cards. Ooh, we got duplication on some of them. Very cool. So one of the cool things, I guess, with these was the fact that you would actually scan them with the Gosei morpher. So that's pretty cool. You want to look at the cards? Okay, you gonna look at those ones while I show these ones off? Okay, and then we've got Samurai Power Rangers. So there's your super cool red guy with the whole team. Is that cool? Okay, you want me to keep them together? Okay, we'll keep them together. We got the gold Samurai Ranger. Oh, you want to see the gold one? That's the gold Samurai Ranger. Then we got the red Super Samurai Ranger. Well, you gotta look with me. Ooh. And then we got the rest of them. We got pink and green and yellow. And then there's the regular red. Regular blue. Okay, so then we got the duplication in the back. Okay, so it looks like you kind of get like 2 decks. Okay. Let's jump into this one. So this was the Rise of Heroes starter deck, which I think Rise of Heroes was actually the original. It was the first set, if I'm remembering correctly, and I believe Universe of Hope was, I think, possibly set 3. So I know that they were alternating when they would do starter decks, so that is definitely something that has changed. And it looks like they also made the let you know that you can use the phone to be able to scan the cards. So that is cool. Put those over there. And again, more of the dice. Yeah, you keeping track of the dice for me? I appreciate that, thank you. And again, it looks like they gave us 2, more dice. You don't want to play with the dice? Okay. Okay. Keep them on the table, please. Okay. Okay. So this one, we got the Gosei Great Megazord. And then, again, more Megaforce Rangers, which is awesome. Yeah. Oh, did you stack the dice? That's awesome. There's, we got some more of Megaforce in that one. This one's the Beetle Blaster Megazord. They definitely made these kind of hard to get off. Alright, and more Samurai Rangers. Very cool. Yeah? Yeah, can you sit? I don't want you to... Yeah, are those cool? Yeah. Which one's your favorite? Red Eye, yeah. Still the Red Ranger? Makes sense. Makes sense. You gonna keep looking through them while we go through this? Okay, careful. All right, let's get into some actual packs, because if you opened up the starter decks, they're probably not nearly as exciting. There's going to be a lot of packaging going on here. You get to kind of see the whole rig with how this one's set up today. Yeah, let's get to cracking, right? All right. Yeah, we're gonna open up some packs and see what other Rangers are in here. Whoa. Okay, maybe a little less screaming. They're right there. Can you say, ah, yeah? Okay. Apparently screaming is the way to do it. Although, apparently these pull tabs is the way to do these, because, wow. Whatever they made the packaging out of on this, they are tough. Okay, so we got a blue RPM Ranger. We got a blue Samurai Ranger. We got a pink Megaforce Ranger. We got the black Megaforce Ranger. Blue Megaforce Ranger. Pink Megaforce. Green Super Samurai. Blue RPM Ranger. Green RPM Ranger. Ooh, Master Xandred. Yeah, did we get a bad guy? Can we show him? Can we show him on the camera? Okay, so we gotta. Can I see him? Okay, so there's our big hit for the pack. I don't know. So he's a bad guy. He's got the star symbol. So I don't know if that's a super rare or a rare. I don't know much about these, so let me know in the comments below. We got these because Ash really likes the Power Rangers, and we thought this would be fun to open some of these up. Of course, I can't. Trick is getting the packaging open, right? All right, second pack. You ready to see what we get?
Yeah.
Okay. So ready. So excited. This is very exciting. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Okay, you take that one. Okay. Got green and pink and yellow. We got the high octane Megazord this time. Ooh, there's the pink Mighty Morphin Power Ranger. Ooh, and the blue one. We got, is that supposed to be Dave? And ooh, High Octane Megazord for the holographic. Nice. Alright. Okay. Okay. Here. The big trick is Dad's trying to make sure that they can see what we're opening on the camera. Okay? So, yellow. Black. It's okay. We're gonna put them in this pile. Okay? Oh, you're gonna take that one? Okay. We got blue and black and the High Octane Megazord. We got Dave again. Blue RPM. Ooh, white. Is that the... Hold on, let's show it on the camera. Whoa, that's super cool. Check him out. Okay, we're gonna... Can we keep him here in the shiny pile? Don't just throw them, these are the nice ones. Can you put them in the piles?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you put the white one right here?
Yeah.
So then they can see it on camera? There we go. Good job. Okay. You want to see which one comes? You want to see what we get next?
Yeah.
Okay, we got more packs to go, so Jesus Friday. When the plastic shatters before the glue gives, I've never seen that happen with a blister pack before. Okay, then sit in your spot. Sit in your spot, okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, we don't no blue. Come on, Ash. Stop. Come on. No blue or Bach while we're doing this. Right? You not gonna sit and do this with me? You done? You're not gonna sit and open with Dad? Well, there you have it. He's done. Well, let's open a couple more and see what we can find. All right. Got another Pink Ranger. Are you coming back? You gonna come? We got Tiger Drill Megazord this time. No, let's be sure to open a few more, and then we will call the video. All right, we got the red Power Ranger and the gold Samurai Ranger. Very nice. Okay, so let's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do another 4 packs. And we'll see where things go from there. If I do another one of these openings, I'll tell you guys one thing. I will definitely open all the blister packs first, because, oh my goodness. They are probably some of the hardest packs to open that I've ever seen. Alright, so, blue Megaforce, red Megaforce, Aquazord, we got LRPM, Eagle Racer, Black Mighty Morphin, Octoru, and Samurai Megazord. I know that there are obviously different rarities in these. I want to say I'm going to do some research, and I'm going to have to I'm going to post some notes on the screen so that I can for sure let y'all know what I find out, because this is definitely new to me. So I've never opened these before. Very cool looking cards though. There's a Green Ranger. Nice. And the battle mode Dragon Megazord. That is so cool. That's the more I see these cards, the more nostalgia I think comes up, because you know that's the mode I always kept my Megazord in, because the Dragon Zord was dope. And the instructions. Let's see here. Grinders. Seeing the old bad guys is super cool too. Another Green Ranger and a Valve Max Megazord. Okay, last one for today. Let's see what we can pull. I'm not sure. I'm going into this completely blind, so I don't usually go into card games completely blind like this, so everything that I pull is a surprise. So it's definitely different. We got a Green RPM Ranger, Aquazord Brothers, RPM Ranger, Rangers again, Steel Toe again. Ooh. What I'm guessing is the common White Ranger. Drew and Decker. Okay, so when you look there at the 1-052, the star is not filled in. However, on this guy, it is. So there's some sort of different rarity between these two, and I'm guessing based on the number of how many I have. Okay, so every single one of these is not filled in except for the battle mode Dragon Megazord, so I'm assuming that this is the really big hit, just based on the count. So that is super duper cool. Yeah, what a neat card game. I definitely want to figure out how to play this one. It seems super fun and interesting, definitely different. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to do the thing, and I'll see you in the next Power Rangers opening video.
NES.